Amid tepid sentiment and much of the unsold stock, automobile companies have ended the year 2018 on a muted note. Auto majors report a largely muted but a mixed set of numbers in December. Let's do a three-point analysis of the December auto sales numbers of the two- and four-wheeler makers. 1. Passenger vehicles continue to disappoint. Well, passenger vehicle sales continue to drag primarily because of higher cost of ownership, high base of last year, and adverse macro factors. Maruti Suzuki, a leader in the passenger car space, posted moderate sales numbers. It sold a total of over 1 lakh units in December, which is down 3% year-on-year. The sales were dragged by a drop in the mini segment, which includes WagonR and Alto. Tata Motors recorded a marginal growth of 1% at over 14,200 units in the passenger vehicle segment. M&M's overall passenger vehicle sales gained almost 3% to 15,000 units over last year. 2. How are the sales of medium and heavy commercial vehicles? Commercial vehicle segment, which started showing signs of weakness from last month, continued this month as well. The weakness in the segment is due to liquidity and financial challenges as well, and the new axle load norms. Tractor segment was also weak in the month on the back of lower than expected rabi crop sowing. Tata Motors domestic sales declined by 11% at over 36,000 units. Even the truck segment posted a decline of 27%. M&M too reported a 4% year-on-year decline in commercial vehicle sales at 16,900 units in December. For Eicher Motors, under the bus division, domestic sales grew by 8%, but exports declined by 69%. Escorts, a leading tractors and heavy equipment company, outshined its peers with over 27% year-on-year jump in total sales. Its exports spiked by nearly 200% year-on-year. 3. How are the two-wheelers and three-wheeler sales growth in December? Now, Eicher Motors posted a dismal performance in two-wheeler sales. Royal Enfield sales declined by 13%. The sales were over 58,000 units. Hero MotoCorp has reported a total 4.5 lakh unit sales in December, down over 4% year-on-year. Now, this was lower than street estimates. Company's chairman Pawan Munjal also said that there's an urgent need to reduce GST on two-wheelers to 18% from 28%. Bajaj Auto bucked the trend, reporting the total sales of 3.5 lakh units. Now, this implies a growth of 18% over the same month last year. Three-wheeler sales were mixed on the back of very high base for last year and on the back of the government's decision to end permit raj and no permit regime for alternate fuels three-wheelers. Shares of Atul Auto also hit upper circuit after the company reported strong 50% jump in sales numbers for December. The company sold over 4,000 units for December 2018 as against 2,800 units in the same month last year. Now, starting January, we will also start getting the retail sales numbers as against the current wholesale numbers shared by the companies. Now, this is important as it will tell us the difference between retail and the wholesale numbers, and also the numbers of unsold inventory kept at the dealership, hence giving us more transparent data.